Thank you very much, Excellency President Vladimir Putin, for sparing your precious time for this meeting. And we're meeting after, as you said rightly, after Astana last July. And I can say with a sense of confidence that together we have been making very serious and sincere efforts to promote our bilateral relations, particularly in the field of commerce, trade, and last year we saw our bilateral trade had a spike. We imported oil from Russia, and that led to increase in our bilateral trade. Our relations have been on the improve in the last many years, but due to your personal commitment and interest, and I must say that I've been also very keen to strengthen our bilateral relations. I think we are in the right direction. And after our meeting in Astana, there has been flurry of visits of delegation between the two countries. Your Honorable Deputy Prime Minister visited Islamabad. Russian delegations visited Pakistan. Our delegations have been there in the last 1 year. Recently, Mr. Fatmi has been there, and Mr. Harun Akhtar have been there, and we have signed protocols in terms of how to promote our cooperation in the field of agriculture, in the field of iron and steel, energy, transport, corridor from Belarus, and then Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. I think this is a very important corridor. So I think, Your Excellency, all this put together reflects beyond any ray of doubt a very keen commitment on your part and our part to build our relations. And thank you very much for your invitation to visit your great country. And I'll be very happy to be there, because I have been to your country since ages. I've not been there. So I must go to Moscow and refresh my good old memories of my younger days. Your Excellency, I'd like to also thank you for supporting Pakistan and trying to have a balancing act, I think, in the region. I know, and I must say, that we respect your relation with India. That's perfectly fine. But we also want to build very strong relations. And these relations will be supplementary and complementary for the good and for the progress and prosperity of the region. In that, I find in you a very dynamic leader, and I want to assure you that I'd like to work with you very closely.